guys, and welcome back to my channel At Home with Chelle. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can clean your oven in 3 easy steps using only 3 products. So it's currently about 10 days before Christmas and I do still need to do my big pre-Christmas clean, which I'll probably do in the next few days, and I will be uploading that, so make sure you subscribe to watch that. But today I'm going to do my oven separately. So Arabella's in bed, it's about 8:30 at night, and I'm just going to quickly show you how I clean my oven. It is absolutely disgusting. Every time I do a big oven clean, I always say that I'm going to keep it clean, and it never stays that way, so it's got in a really bad state again, so I'm quite embarrassed about how it looks. But hey ho, this is real life and not everything is perfect. So I'll share with you my top tips to clean the oven quickly and easily, because no one's got loads of time to be spending cleaning the oven. I really hope that you do enjoy this video, and if you do, then don't forget to give it a thumbs up. So this is what it looks like before. It's absolutely disgusting. It's just got full of burnt on food in there. That's all got stuck in here. The racks are disgusting, the doors are disgusting, and then the grill, brace yourself, it's even worse. The state of this door, just from, I don't know, like grilling bacon and things, it's just got really quite disgusting. So yes, this is in desperate need of a big clean. So like I mentioned at the start, I'll be cleaning my oven using only 3 different products. The first one will be dishwasher tablets. Use whatever dishwasher tablets that you have lying around. The second will be the pink stuff. This stuff is literally a miracle paste. I've actually got a video on different uses for this, which I'll link down below, because I just love this stuff. And lastly, to finish off, is just some glass cleaner. That is literally all I will be using to clean my oven today.
Step 1 is to remove all of the racking from the oven, even the side racks. In most ovens it's quite easy to remove. Then you want to place the racks into a bath with hot water and add 2 dishwasher tablets. So I normally place an old towel down in the bath as well, just to ensure that you don't scratch it, and then leave them to soak in the bath with the dishwasher tablets for a couple of hours, and honestly you will be amazed at how well this works and how much they come clean. Back to the oven, I'm just going to use a mini dustpan and brush to remove any crumbs from there.
Whilst the racks are soaking, I'm going to go in with the pink stuff. So you can see here, because I had an oven liner, you can actually see this line from where the oven liner went and how dirty that is. And actually that isn't kind of too bad. So I'm going to start actually inside the oven, and I'm just going to scoop it out. I'm just using an old minky here and basically just rub it on here like so. This stuff honestly is amazing. I prefer it as well because it doesn't have all of the nasty chemicals in like some of the oven cleaners do.
I then repeated the same process on the top oven. Use a minky to wipe away any of the pink stuff, and then rubbing more where necessary. And if you do have any particularly stubborn areas, then I find that a toothbrush works really well. It is honestly so satisfying wiping away on the glass and seeing what a difference it makes. Once the main dirt is cleaned off from the oven, then I remove the initial glass panel so I can wipe over the other side and then clean the glass door itself. So mine is really easy to remove, but it might be worth checking in your manual for how to remove yours. I then give this a wipe all over. Again, I'll follow the same process in the top oven, and you'll remember how dirty the glass door was in here, but wiping it off with this just makes it super easy.
The last thing you want to do is just go in with the glass cleaner. So whilst I've got the glass off, I'm just going to clean in this bit here with some glass cleaner and a window cloth just to give it the perfect shine. I'll then do that on the front as well.
Once the inner glass is clean, then I add the glass I removed back in, and again use the glass cleaner on this to bring it up to a lovely shine.
So I've left these for a couple of hours, and you can see that most of the stuff just comes off. If you have got any harder bits, and literally just wipe it and they are literally as good as new.
Every time I do this, I actually can't believe how well the racks come up with such minimal effort.
So finally, both of the ovens are clean. So if you remember how dirty this was before, I mean, how much better does that look? That was absolutely filthy in there where the grill is. And then into the oven. So much better in there. Again, this had loads of stains on it, all on the glass. And you can see just how well these have all came up as well. They look so good. So what I'm going to do now is just put the oven liner at the bottom just to save it getting too dirty again, because that does actually really help.